Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today you will be seeing a walkthrough video of my conversational AI project, a book recommendation chatbot built using Google's Dialogflow. The chatbot name is BookieBot. It's designed to simulate a natural conversation to help users find books that match their preferences. So now let's begin a conversation with the chatbot. It gives us a greeting message. So we can either respond to this message or just start the conversation by telling hi. Now the chatbot responds with a friendly greeting message and asks if I want a book recommendation. I'm going to respond yes. And now it asks me about my preferred genre. I would go for fiction. Next, it narrows down with a subgenre. I would like to pick detective. Now it asks me to name an author I like. Let me go for J.K. Rowling. I continue answering questions about my reading habits. So I would prefer long books, physical book or e-books which I like, so I would go for physical copies. Okay, now it asks me whether I need a beginner friendly or more challenging. I would like to go for beginner friendly. Oh, my spelling was wrong, my mistake. I would go for emotional tone. Okay, now they can ask me about a fiction or a non-fiction. I would go for both fiction and non-fiction. Yes, and the chatbot gives a recommendation based on all my responses. So that's how our chatbot works. Now let's go to the behind scenes of how the chatbot was made, or the process, like the intents or entities. Going to the intents, first, this was, as told before, it was powered by Dialogflow. I have created intents like get genre, get subgenre, you can see it over here, then get author, get mood, get fiction choice, and many more. Each intent captures user input using training phases. Now, for example, let us go for get genre. Over here, we have training phases. Then it extracts the values using entities. Let me show that how it is. Going to the entities, we have if an entity is created over here. So going to the genre entity, I have all the fiction, mystery, all the genres saved over here. Going back to get genre, when the user types in some genre, it's saved inside the genre entity. So in the intents, then the context variables help keep the conversation on track, that is the input context and the output, remembering what the user said earlier, and it saves the value. Slots are used to store answers like genre. Over here we have sort. It's like listed, so the slots are used. So it saves the values like genre, subgenre, mode, and etc., allowing assistant to deliver a personalized recommendation. This was the behind the scene of our chatbot. So coming to the conclusion, this project helped me understand how conversational AI actually works, from NLU to designing user flow. One strength is its natural sounding interaction, that is the interaction which we had with the chatbot. It was like a person communicating with us. And a future improvement that I would like to add in is like a real-time book API integration. That's like I need more book recommendation to be added in it. So there will be a wide variety of books and genres and all. Also, a support for voice input. Here it's only supporting the text, so I would also recommend, or I would also use a voice input in the future. So thank you for watching.